Daddy points, here comes the bus. Big and yellow, it carries all of us. Doors swing open, people hop on, rolling down the road all day long. Daddy says beep beep, daughter goes beep beep. Daddy says beep beep, daughter goes beep beep. Big wheels rolling down the street.
Beep beep, beep beep beep. Daddy says look, a fire truck's near, red and shiny, loud and clear, helping people racing through town, lights up high while it zooms around.
Daddy says vroom vroom, daughter goes vroom vroom. Daddy says vroom vroom, daughter goes vroom vroom. Big truck rushing down the street.
Vroom vroom, vroom vroom.
Daddy smiles, hear that train, long and strong like a metal chain.
On the tracks it goes so far, carrying people, cars and cars.
Daddy says
Choo choo,
daughter goes
choo choo.
Daddy says choo choo, daughter goes choo choo. Long train rolling on the rail.
Choo choo, choo choo.
Daddy points to the digging spot, an excavator scoops a lot.
Big strong arm digs in the ground, lifts up dirt and spins around.
Daddy said
Dig dig,
daughter goes
dig dig.
Daddy says dig dig, daughter goes dig dig. Big machine digging in the dirt.
Dig dig, dig dig.
Daddy says beep